So hi everyone, welcome back to this tutorial. So I'll show you how to create a simple clean table in Microsoft Excel. So it's fast, it's just easy, and it makes your data look great. So without wasting time, let us get started. So here I have some data that have the product, the quantity, the unit price, and the total price. So if I want to convert this data into a table, I'll just highlight the whole data like this. Then go to Insert tab up here. Then I'll click on table. Then you can see where the data for your, this is your data for your table. It has highlighted the range. Then make sure you check this. My table has a header. Then click OK. Then that is how your table has been created in Excel automatically. You can check up here. You have this tab that has table design. Then you can change your table into different formatting, different colors, or you have the table styles here. So you can click on this. You see it's changing. If I can also just click on the table, go to the table design, then click on this, you can see the table is changing. And that is how easy you can create your table in Excel. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Excel tips, and let me know how your tutorial, the tutorials that you want me to create next. Thank you for watching. See you.